Hey everyone, welcome to my channel English Odyssey with me. Today I'm going to share with you how I practice English speaking regularly to improve my fluency. So till the end you can watch my videos, okay? And first step I do every day, uh, talk to myself. But it sounds funny, but it's really effective. And when you will do, you can understand that how effective it is. And you can take some easy topic like your daily routine, your goal, and it's very easy topic. Then it will improve your fluency and also confident. And then you can understand that you don't need to translating to Bangla to English, okay? And second step I do every day, it is intimate the native speaker, like it means shadowing the native speaker, because I watch the news, BBC News, and lots of YouTube channel I follow, because they teach pronunciation and speaking, and I try to shadow with their pronunciation, and which it helped me to improve speaking fluency. And third I do, it is uh, learn new word and use the word in sentence. I every day trying it, because learning word you have to learn 3 or 5 word at least in the daily, because and also you have to learn how to use the sentence. For example, you learned determined. If you use the if you use the word in the sentence like I am determined to improve my English speaking, okay? And fourth step I do, recording myself's videos, because whenever I try to practice speaking, then I try also to record my videos, because it also reduce my shyness and also improve my confidence. And and then after completing videos I try to watch again, because where I was I mistake, so it also improved me to um, speaking, okay? And five step I do every day, it is talk to friends, because I have a lots of friends, they are also learning English. And I have also group. Every day I join the group on video call to practice speaking. They also able to share some topic which are very important to improve your speaking, and also you can use lots of word in your speaking, okay? In this five way I every day practice to improve my English speaking, okay? And if you which method do you like the most, you can comment, and don't forget like, share, and for new videos, okay?